Good afternoon guys, Steve here from My Leisure Home. Now I'm just about to do a quick tour of this behind me then. It's a Tourer. First for My Leisure Home channel. We don't normally do Tourers, but we've taken this in part exchange and it's in absolutely fantastic condition. So I'm going to take you for a wander around it now. So this is the Sterling Coastline XL 550. It's sited near Skegness. Now it doesn't have to stay on its pitch, obviously it's a Tourer, but it can stay on its pitch. It's sited at the lakes, which is not too far from Skegness. It's a lovely park, some great features and fishing lakes on here, but if you wanted to take it off elsewhere you could do as well. Allow me to take you for a wander in. So a lovely feature light on the exterior. The exterior is in really good condition. It's been well looked after, this holiday home has. It's got a motor mover on it as well. So we'll enter in. So as we come into the holiday home, you shall see we have the fixed seating that turns into a bed at the front of the holiday home. We've also got this table here that pulls out. So if you want to play cards or eat your dinner, etc., you can do so via that table. Obviously the beds can be made up into a bed on the front end and plenty of storage surrounding the front end of the holiday home. We've got speakers built in as well, a cassette player, and then I'll just close this table off to give me a little bit more room. As we come over this side, you can see we've got a heating system. Over here, we have a fridge freezer, then a gas cooker just here as well. Just above that, we have a microwave, and then built in is a fan from them hotter days. If we flick this down, I think this is quite cool to be honest. So we press the buttons on this. Out pops your TV, which is quite nice to have as well. So I've pulled the blinds across that separates you from the bedroom area. So if we just pull that across, now if you've got guests or whatever staying, it's nice to be able to separate the two away. Then we've got a fixed double bed just here. Plenty of storage surrounding the bed, as you can see. Extra storage just here for all your clothes, etc. And then as we head down towards the rest of the holiday home, you'll see we have your shower room. So we've got a toilet, wash basin just here, mirror there, more storage just to the side and below as well, and then not a bad size shower considering it's a Tourer. So if this is something that might be of interest to yourselves, please let us know. I'd also like to get any feedback on if people would like to see more Tourers, because we don't tend to do Tourers. Statics are our forte, so we tend to stick to what we know. But this was in that good a condition, and it's been really well looked after. We thought we'd advertise it. The price of it is just $11,497. So it's a really good price for a holiday home site here in Skegness, or you can take it anywhere else you'd like to in the country. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions or you'd like any more information, please let us know and we will be more than happy to help. Take care. Bye-bye.